What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and it is Black History Month, guys, which means I am kicking off my collabs with Black-owned businesses, guys. It is my goal to help them generate more sales, but even just a simple follow on their social media handles will be awesome as well. So I'm super excited to share these companies with you guys. So the first company that I am teaming up with is Chocolate Girl Wigs. I bought their Ultimate Curl Bundle, which comes with a hydrating shampoo and conditioner and a hair and body butter. They also threw in a couple lip glosses for me, which I thought was really cute. And yeah, I'm gonna make sure that I link all of their information in the description section for you guys. I am gonna show you guys their products and how I use them. So I started off by washing my client's hair. She does have really thick hair, and so I thought it would be cool to really just demonstrate the use of this product on her texture. So first I went in with their hydrating shampoo. I absolutely loved the way that it smelled, and it was very soothing on my client's scalp. You can definitely tell that it has peppermint oil in there. You definitely get that type of cooling effect, which my client was like, ooh, I like this. So yeah, I really like the shampoo. I did go ahead and shampoo twice, even though I'm only gonna show you guys one time on the camera. Next, I went in with their hydrating conditioner, guys. This is infused with tea tree oil, peppermint oil, coconut oil, and aloe vera gel, and it definitely left my client's hair feeling awesome and amazing. I did go ahead and finger detangle while using this and just go ahead and massage that into her scalp, and afterwards her hair felt amazing. So on the bottles, it does say that this product is designed for all hair types, but I did just want to use it on one of my clients with thicker hair just to see how it would work, and her mom actually loved it. You guys are going to see her poking her hands in here in a second, but her curl definition was just so amazing after using this product that my client was like, I have to take this home. So I definitely gave her the remaining of the product, but they were just saying that one of the really good things about it is that her curls are not usually this defined, and so she was like, wow, I love, like, you know, how defined her curls are. So after that, I am going to go in and blow dry, and I use this hair and body butter, which is basically like a thicker shea butter. I'll let you guys know everything that's in there. All of this is actually listed on their website as well, that I'm going to leave in the description section. But guys, a little bit of this goes a long way. This is actually probably a lot to use on this section, but I did go ahead and coat her hair in this right before I do my blow dry, just because I'm going to be doing a knotless box braid style, y'all, so I do need to get my client dry, but I absolutely love this product as well. So this butter has in it sweet almond oil, coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, and vitamin E oil. And like I said, a little bit of it goes a long way, so I'm sure that just buying this little bottle will last you quite some time. I did actually end up using it on my hands too, because I said, y'all not gonna come for me today, baby. Pana's not gonna be ashy, and that's on period. And it is something that can be used for your hair or your hands or your entire body. Guys, that's just that on that. Make sure you guys go ahead and click the description section and check them out. Like I said, even just a simple follow would be amazing. And Chocolate Girl Wigs, thank you guys so much for allowing me to work with you guys and to share your brand. So moving right along, guys, we are going to be doing some knotless box braids. I'm actually so excited to share this look because it turned out fire. And if you guys I can't even talk. If you guys follow me on any of my social media handles, then you have already seen this look, guys. I'm doing zigzag part knotless box braids, and to start that off, I'm gonna part straight across, and then based off of that straight line, I'm gonna create my zigzag. Now, to create the zigzag, I'm taking the tip of my comb and I'm placing it on my client's scalp, and I'm gonna move it up and down in a zigzag motion. I go maybe like 1, 2, 3 zigzags, and then I pull the comb up, and it will kind of create that look for you. You can also go in and like do it, like, you know, do up and down, but I just feel like that would really take forever. So I go ahead and just get, like, you know, as zigzaggy as I can, and you can always go in and define that. And then yeah, that's pretty much how I do my straight across parts. Now when I'm carving out my actual box, I'm gonna go off of the tip of one of those zigzags that I created, and I'm gonna do this same motion going downward, and I will show you guys that a little bit later in this video. But I'm just gonna let you guys vibe out to some music because I've been talking for a little minute, and then yeah, I guess I'll just see you guys at the finished look.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look, I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby, won't you tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah. I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that I don't have control. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. I'm worried about my father's health. I'm worried about being by myself. I'm worried I ain't doing too well. I'm worried, but I did it to myself, yeah. I'm worried that you don't need me. I'm worried that you'll go and leave me. I'm worried that it won't work out, yeah. I'm worried that I'll never make it out, yeah. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep while you always in a hurry. You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. I don't wanna say too much. Got a lot of feelings, scared that I might mess it up. I'ma always keep it honest like $100. I'ma be there by your side, girl, no matter what. I'm not like those other guys you knew before. Pull up to the spot, you know I open doors. I won't ever blame you cause you're innocent. Let's show you what your future is. We could drive straight to the beach, put your feet on my dashboard. I'ma bring some roses, anything that you ask for. Play a little music if you wanna. Rolling down the window, we can smoke some marijuana. We got options, there ain't nowhere to be if I'm with you. Girl, that's alright with me. We got options, there ain't nowhere to be if I'm with you. Girl, that's alright with me, alright with me. No, I'm not saying I don't have problems. I got way too many for you to count. I'm just saying I'm good at solving them. I won't ever let it get between you and I. Things I do for you, you my Gemini. I'm just trying to be a Leo for you there like every night. Yeah, every night. Hey. We could drive straight to the beach, put your feet on my dashboard. I'ma bring some roses, anything that you ask for. Play a little music if you wanna. Rolling down the window, we can smoke some marijuana. We could drive straight to the beach, put your feet on my dashboard. I'ma bring some roses, anything that you ask for. Play a little music if you wanna. Rolling down the window, we can smoke some marijuana. We got options, we got nowhere to be if I'm with you. Girl, that's alright with me. We got options, we got nowhere to be if I'm with you. Girl, that's alright with me, alright with me. Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me, but now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave.
Alright guys, so here we are at the finished look. This is 100% my favorite box braids that I have ever done to date. I know a lot of people always ask me what is my favorite hairstyle to do, and this would definitely have to be it. We did go ahead and throw some beads on the end of her braids, and they just look so fire, so crispy. And I know after using the product that I used at the beginning of the video, my client's hair is nice and moisturized under there. And guys, these just look super fire. So thank you so much for just watching this entire video. Like I said, if you guys can really support these companies and these businesses that I'm working with, I will greatly appreciate you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this hair. Like, y'all, I was actually literally so geeked to post this TikTok and to post this on my Instagram, and I literally cannot wait to drop these fire photos on you guys. As always, thank you so much for the support. If you are a Black-owned business and you would love for me to work with you, I am doing free promo for the month of February. Go ahead and shoot me an Instagram message and I will do my best to get you guys in. I do have a couple slots left. Really just want to help build my community, especially during our month, guys. This is such an amazing thing that I'm doing, and I want to work with as many brands as possible. So if you or someone know someone, then let me know. And as always, I will catch you guys in my next video.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?
What you mean?